Welcome back, plant lovers. Today, we have something exciting in store for you as we're diving into the world of basil and exploring its stunning varieties. This herb is a true gem in any kitchen or garden, from the classic Genovese to the exotic Thai basil. So, sit back, relax, and let's discover the wonderful world of basil together. Basil, Ocimum basilicum, is a fragrant herb that belongs to the mint family. Basil is easy to grow and loves warm environments with well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. The leaves are bright, green, and oval-shaped, with clusters of beautiful white or pink flowers. However, it is preferred to harvest basil leaves before flowering time to maintain the original flavor. Basil has more than 100 varieties, each with a unique flavor, appearance, and usage. Here are some stunning basil varieties you can grow and enjoy in your next culinary adventures. Genovese basil, Ocimum basilicum. Genovese basil is a type of sweet basil highly prized in Italian cooking due to its exceptional flavor. It has large, bright green leaves with a strong, sweet aroma. This is the preferred variety for making traditional pesto sauce. Cinnamon basil, Ocimum basilicum, cinnamon. This basil variety has a mild spicy flavor with delightful notes of cinnamon, making it a fantastic addition to desserts, teas and cocktails. Cinnamon basil can be recognized due to its beautiful dark green leaves with purple stems and light purple flowers. Holy basil, Ocimum tenuiflorum. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, holds great cultural and medicinal significance in various regions, including India and Southeast Asia. Holy basil features slender leaves with a unique peppery and slightly spicy flavor. It's not only used in cooking but is also cherished for its medicinal properties. It's believed to promote relaxation, boost immunity, and improve respiratory health. Thai basil, Ocimum basilicum thyrciflora. Thai basil has smaller, narrow leaves with a slightly purple tint and a spicy, anise-like flavor. It is commonly used in Thai, Vietnamese, and other Southeast Asian cuisines. Thai basil adds a distinctive taste to dishes like stir-fries, curries, and noodles dishes. Lemon basil, Ocimum basilicum, citriadorum. As the name suggests, lemon basil has a citrusy aroma and flavor that adds a refreshing twist to dishes like seafood, marinades, and even desserts like sorbets and fruit salad. Lemon basil features vibrant green leaves with a hint of yellow, releasing a fresh, zesty fragrance, particularly when crushed. Dark opal basil, Ocimum basilicum, purpuruscens. This variety stands out for its striking dark purple leaves, making it a visually appealing addition to dishes and herb gardens. Dark opal basil has a milder flavor than other basil varieties but still adds a unique touch to salads, pasta dishes, and flavored oil. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a food enthusiast looking to spice up your recipes, basil is a herb that offers something for everyone. So, why not explore these stunning basil varieties and add a dash of freshness to your kitchen? Grow them in your garden or keep them in pots on your windowsill for easy access to their aromatic leaves. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the amazing world of basil. Remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below, sharing your favorite basil varieties or recipes. Until next time, happy gardening and happy cooking.